What is good, y'all? YD here back. And last night we had our first freeze. It was like 31 degrees, man. So most of them took a hard hit last night. As you see my tomatoes, they probably done, of course, for the season. We have no more bees for the season. So nothing else is gonna get pollinated unless I hand pollinate it. Stuff like this, like my cabbage. As you see how big it is, look at that. That is okay through the winter because how hardy it is. Pumpkin, I think it's about done. Can't get pollinated, even though it's still producing flowers. Cilantro came back. Don't know why, but it's back. Hey, we're gonna see what it do. These things are real hardy too, so they alright. Our other tomato plant took a hit. Look like it's still partially here, but some parts of it looks kind of sad. And of course it's not gonna get pollinated either because the end of the season. Our big gem peppers, they look a little sad too, and okay at the same time, but we'll see. Time to tell what it do. But I don't think it's gonna produce no peppers because it's the end of the season. Bell pepper look like it's still trying to produce something, so it's still going strong. Still got this one here. This one's about done. Get that out of there. Strawberries, they still, ooh, look at this one. They still producing strong in the cold, so I guess this weather don't affect them too much. Our habaneros, they still doing their thing, looking strong. So I guess they fortified. Our onions still doing good, looking strong. So only things really took a hit was our tomatoes and our pumpkin, and maybe the big gem peppers because the season's over with, so most of this ain't gonna get pollinated anymore. So what's already pollinated and doing this fruiting thing is gonna produce the most. So other than that, I appreciate y'all, and until next time, I'm out.
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back. YD here, and just giving y'all an update. It's early in the morning. As you can see, it's fall season. Leaves are starting to drop, and as our weather keeps getting colder, it's killing off our plants. And the only ones that's gonna survive is the hardy ones that's good with this type of weather, which, as you can see, is our cabbage. Cabbage is looking lovely and going crazy. And strawberries was going crazy. They didn't even show no signs of even trying to wilt or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I think they love this type of weather. Our peppers, they still doing good. You know, we got a couple of wilted leaves, but other than that, everything's still looking a-okay. Onions are still growing and looking very vibrant. Our bell peppers, I think they're probably done for the year. Our big tomato plant, we really kind of started it late, so we didn't get nothing out of it this year, but this was a trial run, you know, see what we can do now, you know. See how thick this thing is right here. That thing is about thick as my, you know, if not a little more. It's a real good stalk right there. And I had 3 of them in the same pot, or 4 of them in the same pot. They all 4 did pretty good. We also started this kind of late too, you know. We didn't get a chance. None of this stuff got a chance to get pollinated because of the weather and the end of the season. So a lot of the bugs and stuff are gone. Cilantro, I don't know what the cilantro is doing, y'all. One minute it wants to grow, the next minute it don't. Our succulents, they're doing pretty good, you know. Nothing seems to phase them right now. I don't know how they'll do in the winter. We'll see. You know, when it gets real cold, if they'll turn or whatever. Might take them into the house, you know, because I don't think they're made to be out in the snow. I don't know. I'm about to do my research on that. But other than that, y'all, this is, I'm gonna continue to update you guys until there's nothing left. Until there's nothing left to update on. And I know I've been dragging my feet on making this hot sauce, but I've been coming up with other ideas on what to do with these peppers. Maybe a barbecue sauce, maybe a salsa, maybe a hot sauce again, maybe a little bit of both, depends on how much peppers I have. But other than that, appreciate you guys tuning in. Until next time, y'all, I'm out of here.
3 days later.
What is good, y'all? YD here, back with another video, and I'm showing you guys what my garden has become. We had a cold front come through. It got like 21 degrees at night, 30 something during the day, and it destroyed everything, man. So I went ahead and harvested all I could. Look how bare that is. All I could of my peppers, and we made some hot sauce. Also, this is my strawberry plant. They don't look too affected. They look like they chilling. Same thing with my cabbage. They don't look too affected. Look like it's chilling. When it starts showing signs, I guess I'll just harvest it and use what I can of it. Everything else looking pretty good. Look at this. This thing's kind of limp right here. Something happened. I might take them in the house though, just so they can be all right. They might have to come in the house. Other than that, man, this is it, man. I think my onions are some, I don't know. Who knows, man? I don't know. But as far as I know, these two are doing all right in this kind of weather. Leaves everywhere. It's fall. It's getting colder. So videos will start gonna be slim on my gardening, as you see, because there's no gardening. But I'm gonna show you guys what I did with my hot sauce and stuff, and hope you guys like that. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Until next time, y'all, I am out of here.
Some say it first came from a distant universe, forged by dwarves, fought over in a great war. Years later found by explorers the last 3 bottles in the world. It's also said to have the spirit of the ice dragon in them. It has an internal heat that's been burning for centuries. Winter heat hot sauce. That shit fire as fuck. No, literally.